Hi guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, you might want to call in sick to work today because we've got a lot going on at Dollar General, and we're going to go over everything in this video. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos that you might want to go and check out, because like I said, we have a lot going on at Dollar General this week. We've got new coupons, new glitches, we have overages, plus we have new 90% off clearance markdowns, and an amazing penny list. So if you missed either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, typically, guys, I wouldn't say anything about this, but as the channel gets bigger, this is becoming a problem. So please don't be a jerk. If you are going to share my information that I'm sharing with you, please just repost the video link. All you have to do is click on the little share button. It will let you copy the link, and then you can paste it wherever you would like. Please do not take a screenshot of my video and then share all of my hard work on your Facebook page. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about hidden penny items, and like I said, we've got a lot to talk about. So, for anyone who is new to penny shopping, please keep in mind that the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items. And if you are new, please pause the video and read through my penny tips. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you all, I have heard some real horror stories over the last week or so about people calling in before they even leave their house. They're sitting at home and calling their local Dollar General store saying, "Hey, do you guys have a penny sale going on today? Do you have any of those penny items left?" Or they walk straight in, walk right up to the manager and say, "Hey, where do you guys keep those penny items that are on sale?" This is not a sale, y'all. Common sense. Where is the common sense these days? Anyways, do not ask the employees about penny items. We don't talk about it. Shh, okay? Now, yesterday, we had tons and tons and tons, probably hundreds of items that surprised pennied at Dollar General. Unfortunately, your girl was stuck at jury duty. Yes, jury duty. So I was not able to make a video. However, as soon as I got done, I went out, I went shopping, and I tried to pull together as many visuals for you all as I could. Now, with that being said, I have also started going through my list, my personal list, and I will be posting another video with even more visuals, but these are just some of the items that I found last night. I literally was in the store for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. I scanned everything in the clearance section, and that is what I recommend you do as well. Go to your local Dollar General stores, scan everything in your clearance section. If you spot any items that are really old that you know have been there for a really, really long time, scan them and see if they are a penny. Basically, what I think is happening is Dollar General's just doing a big cleanup before the end of the year. So they are cleaning up these clearance sections. A lot of these items have been on clearance for a couple of years now. In fact, a lot of these items you may have seen in previous clearance event videos. So, like I said, today I have cleared my schedule. I'm going to be checking all of my information, going through all of my old pictures. I mean, there's just so much to go through. It's absolutely crazy, but I will have another video with even more visuals. I just wanted to go ahead and put this out there for you all. That way I could show you all exactly what I found at my store last night. I'm also planning on hitting up a couple more stores today to see what else I can find. But I can tell you all, I mean, people are racking up. So you might want to call in to work. Just go ahead and make a day of it. Go check out all of your Dollar Generals. Scan, scan, scan. Check on those sky shelves. Check on those end caps. I found everything from hair color to disinfectant spray, so cleaners, as seen on TV products, tons of coloring books. I'm still finding back to school items like Sharpies. And of course, I did find the frozen berries that we had on our penny list this week. I was able to find about 6 bags of the Clover Valley Salted Caramel Trail Mix. So that was an amazing find. I was super happy about that. Also, check your party supplies. I know that the baby shark stuff is huge. Everybody's finding that everywhere. I believe there's another character. If anybody knows, please let us know down in the comment section. It might be the frozen party supplies, but just scan, scan, scan. We also have some air care items, car clips, and also some shampoos and body washes. So literally, there's tons of it. There's tons of it across several different categories. Like I said, everything from as seen on TV to food to personal care items, air fresheners, cleaning supplies. Just scan everything in your clearance section. And y'all make sure that you have those notifications turned on, because I will be uploading another video later on today with even more surprise penny items, pictures, UPCs, the whole 9 yards. So make sure that you all stay tuned. And if you guys want to send in pictures of your hauls or individual items that you have found while you've been out penny shopping, or if you just want to send in a picture of your receipt, that is helpful as well. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Or you can reach out to me over on Instagram, which is @crazycoupons. All of that information is in the pinned comment right down below this video. And if you all ever have any crazy Dollar General experiences, stories, such as the lady sent me an email about the people calling into her store asking about penny sales and penny items. If y'all have anything crazy like that going on, please, please let me know. Send me an email or reach out to me on Instagram. I absolutely love hearing your all stories. And that just kind of gives me a little window into what you all are experiencing when you're out there couponing and penny shopping. Kind of lets me know, what's going on, because not all stores are alike, not all areas are alike, and certainly not all people or employees or managers are alike. So y'all let me know what's going on out there. I would love to hear from you all. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me for now. But like I said, don't forget, hundreds of surprise pennies. Just get out there and scan your heart out. All right, scan, scan, scan. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Then come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. Now, that is going to be it for me for now. Like I said, y'all stick around and stay tuned, because I will be dropping another video here in just a few short hours with even more surprise penny visuals for you all. So stick around and stay tuned. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.